Mastering IELTS Reading: Top Strategies for Success. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of IELTS and specifically focusing on the reading test. The IELTS reading test can be challenging, but with the right strategies, you can master it. Let's explore some proven techniques that will help you excel. Remember, preparation and understanding are your keys to success. Before we delve into the strategies, it's essential to grasp the format. Time limit: you will have 60 minutes to complete the test. Number of passages: typically, there are 3 reading passages. Question types: there are several types of questions, including multiple choice, identifying information, identifying writer's views, matching information, and more. Key point: familiarizing yourself with the format will allow you to anticipate what's coming next and manage your time effectively. One of the major challenges in the IELTS reading test is time. Pace yourself. Avoid spending too much time on a single question. Skim and scan. Skim the passage first to get a general idea. Then, scan for specific details related to the questions. Order of questions: they usually follow the order of information in the passage. So, if you find an answer to question 3, the answer to question 4 is likely to be found after it. Key point: time management is essential. Practicing under timed conditions will help you improve. Different questions require different approaches. Multiple choice: skim the passage first. Then, go back to find specific details for each option. Matching headings: understand the main idea of each paragraph. This will help you match headings more effectively. True, false, not given. Focus on details. Not given means the information is not mentioned in the passage. Key point: by understanding and practicing different question types, you'll become more adept at answering them quickly and correctly. Your mindset plays a significant role. Stay calm. If you don't know an answer, skip it and come back later. Focus. Avoid distractions and concentrate on the passage. Practice. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Key point: a calm and focused mind can significantly improve your performance. Thank you for joining us today on this journey through the IELTS reading test strategies. We hope these tips and insights prove invaluable as you prepare for your test. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more familiar you become with the test format and these strategies, the better your chances of achieving a high score. Best of luck, and happy studying!